So you may have just picked up your brand new iPhone 16 and you're trying to figure out how to use this particular camera button, aka how to zoom in. Now, if you go and open up the camera, you can do that by just clicking into the particular camera right there. Now, zooming in is a little bit complicated because some people may just think that you can just like rest your finger on the camera just like this and zoom in and out, but that's not how it works. To zoom in and out on the, using the camera button, you have to press in just a little bit, not press down all the way. You want to press down just a little bit, and then it allows you to kind of zoom in and zoom out just like this. So once you press in, you can then just zoom in, zoom out. You don't have to keep it pressed in for the most part. And then you can tap back onto the display if you want to kind of focus in again. So what this looks like basically is you just press in a little bit into that camera button, just like this. And then you can kind of zoom in and zoom out just like this. So you can see I'm not pressing down. I can just simply just kind of rub my finger back and forth there, and it will zoom in and zoom out for me. So that's how you do it. If you click down all the way, then that takes a photo, but you do not want to click down all the way. All you want to do is just basically click into it a little bit, and then you can zoom in and zoom out just by using those fingers. So you may also want to make sure your case isn't affecting it. And also if you click in, sometimes if you can use your finger to basically zoom in and zoom out that way too. It can be a little bit of a glitch if you want to, like if you kind of mess around with it. So make sure you're not tapping onto the display or that portion while you're doing it because that can mess things up. But that's basically how you do it for the most part. And also, I just noticed this, if you click into it, you can also, I guess, change it from zoom to depth to all these other things too. So you can kind of mess around with that too. So that kind of covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.